Hello everyone. Welcome back to CSAPIS Academy. Azi Amar, editorial analysis to Loe Hisu, A2 week or Karne. And today we have tried to experiment with the editorial analysis in a way that we have just limited the discussions to two articles. Duta article opor ami bhalke discussion korim, holistic coverage hobo, and we also going to cut it short. And you tell us, by the end of the editorial analysis, you let us know whether you are okay with the experiment, whether you are okay with the approach, or you want any further modification. Okay? So, আশা কৰিছো তোমালোকে সবে ভালে আছে আৰু preparation বহুত ভালকে চলি আছে, right? So, without further ado, let's just dive in. Our first যেটো আমি আর্টিকেল লৈছো, that is significance of reintroducing history and geography as separate subjects in Assam. Class 6 or class 8 or leke reintroduce korbo dise history and geography separate subjects hisabe Ohomot. Ami etu gom paisu etia that the Assam government has been trying to reorient. Please focus on the words that I use here. Reorient and reshape our education system. Assam's education department had earlier merged history and geography into a single social science subject. This resulted in a decline in awareness among the younger generation about Assam's history and geographical features. Ami etur pa ki gom paisu swa agote ami horute okol social science buli ba social studies buli eta subject paisilu. History, geography, separate subjects ke ami okol amar HS level porhisu. Tar agot ami eta compiled weight paisilu. We have got it in the compiled form. Under social science or social studies, we got to study the different parts of the society, which included history as a separate part, geography as a separate part, right? So here the government of Assam has come up with its new initiative to introduce these two subjects specifically as two separate subjects. And the reason is, see, when we are not well aware and well acquainted with our own history, when we are not familiar with our own geography, with the kind of geographical richness that we have, when we are not familiar with the historical legacy that we have, then somewhere we are not well-informed citizens, and this lack of being uninformed or having the lack of awareness, it somehow restricts us from being complete individuals. And how it restricts us from being complete individuals? You see, tomorrow we are going to a new state, or we meet somebody from a different state or different region. Then they come and ask us something about our history, or about the significance of this particular festival, or the significance of this particular date. For example, the 1979 year. If we do not know about our history, then we will not have an answer to that. And don't you think this is a matter of shame? It is definitely a matter of shame, not just as a student or an aspirant, but also as a citizen, as an Assamese. And that is why the government of Assam has come up with this groundbreaking and come up with this new initiative where geography and history would be introduced and reintroduced as two separate subjects. Now, because geography and history were treated as parts of one subject, which is social science, that is why there was a decline in awareness among the younger generation about Assam's history and geographical features. And we know that Assam is rich geographically and historically. But if we do not have the sufficient knowledge about our own history, about our own geography, then we won't be able to defend our own culture, to defend our own place, our own identity whenever there is an attack from somebody else, right? And apart from that, we also need reasons to celebrate and take pride in being Assamese, in being from this region, right? And that is the reason why the Assam government has come up with this new initiative to introduce geography and history as two independent subjects. Now you see, the relevance of this topic or this article from GS paper 1, History, Culture of Assam. Now, history and culture of Assam, we know that the scope of the subject is limitless. We don't know the culture of Assam. It starts at a point and it ends at a point. We don't have such starting point or an ending point. So what do we need? We need to have sufficient knowledge on the culture of Assam and the culture of India. So the relevance of this article is from the perspective of GS1, history or culture of Assam বুলি ক'লে আমি জানো যে ইয়াত কোনো লিমিট নাই ক'ৰ পৰা ষ্টাৰ্ট হৈছে কোনটো টপিক বা ক'ত শেষ হৈছে আমি ক'ব নোৱাৰো বিকজ বহুত বেছি হিউজ হয় ইয়াৰ স্কোপটো সিমিলাৰলি যদি আমি কালচাৰ অফ ইণ্ডিয়াটোৰ লগতো ইয়াৰ ৰেলেভেন্সটো ট্ৰেচ কৰোঁ তেতিয়াও আমি এইটোত বহুত বেছি ৰেলেভেন্স দেখা পাম এই আৰ্টিকলটো ৰাইট নাও GS2 এডুকেশ্যন পলিচি গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে কি ইনিচিয়েটিভছ আনে for ensuring good governance or pro people good governance. এইটো কাৰণে এইটো achieve কৰিবলৈ গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে কি ইনিচিয়েটিভছ আনিছে so this is one of those যে ইয়াতে geography আৰু history নতুনকৈ introduce কৰিব বিচাৰিছে why so that the people can be more aware যিখিনি উঠি অহা ল'ৰা ছোৱালী তেহেঁতি যাতে বেছি aware হওক নিজৰ কালচাৰটোৰ কথা নিজৰ হিষ্ট্ৰী নিজৰ জিঅ'গ্ৰাফীৰ কথা then Assam based descriptive questions in APSC mains we know demonstrates how curriculum choices influence collective memory and civic consciousness it is so যদি আমি collective memory বুলি কওঁ that means এটা জাতি হিচাপে এখন ষ্টেটৰ চিটিজেন এখন ষ্টেটৰ মেম্বাৰ্ছ হিচাপে বা এখন নেশ্যনৰ চিটিজেনছ হিচাপে আমাৰ সবৰে কালেক্টিভ কিছুমান মেমৰি থাকে কালেক্টিভ মেমৰি বুলি যেতিয়া আমি কওঁ this implies first our collective experience and this collective experience gives us collective feelings collective experiences give us collective feelings and these feelings translate into memories right so the next is civic consciousness. Now, in order to be conscious as a citizen, in order to have civic consciousness, what do we need? We need to have a good idea about the place. We need to have a good respect towards the place. Or respect kya hai? When we have a proper awareness about the history of the place, everything is psychological, right? So, jodi ami nijor state khonor history to bhalke na jano. তেতিয়াহ'লে আমাৰ নিজৰ ষ্টেটৰ প্ৰতি অতিমাত্ৰা সন্মান কেনেকৈ আহিব আমি নিজে কেনেকৈ প্ৰাউড হ'ব পাৰিম আমাৰ ষ্টেটখনক লৈ পেলাই ৰাইট চ' এভৰিথিং ইজ কানেক্টেড নেক্সট চিগনিফিকেণ্ট ডিচিশ্যন এইটো হয় কিহৰ কাৰণে দিছ ৱাজ দ্য টাইটেল অফ দ্য এডিটৰিয়েল দ্য ষ্টেট গভৰ্ণমেণ্টছ মুভ টু মেক আছাম স্পেচিফিক হিষ্ট্ৰী এণ্ড জিঅ'গ্ৰাফী কম্পালচৰি ফৰ ষ্টুডেণ্টছ অফ ক্লাছেছ 6 to 8 is a progressive educational reform. It is what? Progressive kihor karne hoy because it will aim korise regional historical awareness to yate restore koribole. Ami janu je as aspirants ami jetia Assamor history khon pohu bahut bostu ami notunke gom pam. Hone no? Ami notunke gom pabo laga kihor karne hoise because amar jitu academic background hoy tat amar kobat holo thaki goisle. We have been deprived. This is the word. We have been deprived of the awareness and the significance of our own history and geography. And why do we say deprived? Because the education curriculum, because the education system was such that we did not feel the requirement, or we did not feel the urge and the need to celebrate our own historical achievements, our own historical legacy, as well as our geography and our geographical uniqueness. Because we know that Asomar geography kon iman beshi unique hoy. Kintu hey unique geography to ami etialeke celebrate korbo kihor karone para nai, because as students, point of view, students' point of view, we are not able to come together and celebrate the geography and the history of our region because আমি aware হৈছো বহুত late. So, এতিয়া যেতিয়া আমি অসমৰ importance চাওঁ act east policy point of view, as aspirants or as educated people, we know the importance. But what about the school kids? যদি আমি নিজকে চাওঁ, আমি যেতিয়া স্কুলত আছিলোঁ তেতিয়া আমি এইখিনি চাগে আমাৰ সিমানখিনি perception develop কৰিবলৈ বা আমাৰ নিজৰ knowledge develop কৰিবলৈ আমাৰ তাত সঠিক তথ্যখিনি নাছিলে, informationখিনি নাছিলে, right? So this is a very progressive step taken by the government of Assam to restore regional historical awareness, strengthen geographical literacy. Now, why do we require geographical literacy? Because we need to be aware of the terrain. Amar yat ki landforms ase, amar yat hills ase, amar yat plains ase, amar yat plateau ase, right? We have the valley, and amar jitu division ase, geographical divisions, he gutei khiniye amak eta huzuk die diversity to celebrate koribole. Okol jikhini ami culture kotha ko, culture to stand alone নহয়, যেটা আমি stand alone বুলি কৈছো, stand alone মানে culture to কিবা এটা বেলেগ বস্তুৰ পৰা জন্ম হৈছে, প্ৰত্যেকখন জিলা, প্ৰত্যেকখন ষ্টেট, প্ৰত্যেকখন নেশ্যন তাতে এটা নতুন নতুন নিজৰ নিজৰ কালচাৰ থাকে, আৰু সেই কালচাৰটো ৰুটেড আছে জিঅ'গ্ৰাফি. For example, if we talk about the festivals celebrate the geography, the festivals celebrate the cuisine, the festivals celebrate the historical legacy, and so geography is very much connected to the history, and geography is a part of the culture of a particular state. Reinforce cultural identity. Now, the government aims to reinforce cultural identity because Assam is strategically located. Our strategic location to our karone ta bahut dangor reason hoy why we must be more aware about our own history, about our own culture, about our own geography. Because if our students, if our students who are in the adolescent stage, the demographic dividend of the country, of the region, if they are not well informed, then definitely there will be problem with identity management. We have seen that because of identity, or in the name of identity, there has always been crisis, there has always been radicalization. Our crisis boli kiho karone koisu, jetialeke manuhe nijor identityr history to gom napai, background to gom napai, hetur pra ki hoy manuhe আজি তেওঁলোকৰ আইডেন্টিটি টু কোড একচুয়ালি স্ট্যান্ড হৈছে এটো গম নাপায়, রাইট? সো আইডেন্টিটি ক্রাইসিস এটা হয়. সেকেন্ড হৈছে ৰেডিকেলাইজেশ্যন. আমাৰ ষ্টুডেণ্টছখিনি যদি নিজৰ জিঅ'গ্ৰাফি আৰু হিষ্ট্ৰী লৈ পেলাই সজাগ নহয়, তেতিয়াহ'লে ইট ইজ ভেৰি ইজি দেট তেওঁলোকৰ সেই ভালনাৰেবল যিটো এজ থাকে, সেই এজটোত বেলেগে আহি পেলাই তেওঁলোকক মেনিপুলেট কৰি ল'ব পাৰিব, এণ্ড দে উইল টাৰ্ণ against the state and they will become anti-state. আৰু এই বস্তুটোৱে, এই ইনফ্লুৱেঞ্চটো আমি ৰিডিউচ কৰিব লাগিব, এণ্ড আল্টিমেটলি গৈ পেলাই এইটো বস্তু নাইকিয়া কৰিব লাগিব. গভৰ্ণমেণ্টৰ এইটো এটা বহুত ডাঙৰ এইম হয়. কিহৰ কাৰণে? বিকজ অফ আৱাৰ ষ্ট্ৰেটেজিক লোকেশ্যন. Ensure students understand Assam's socio-political legacy at an early age. আৰু early ageত যিমান সোনকালে ষ্টুডেণ্টছবিলাকে বুজি পায় আমাৰ যিটো historical socio-political legacy হয়, it is better for us as a state, because তেতিয়া সেইখিনি ষ্টুডেণ্টছে গৈ পেলাই ultimately they will contribute towards the progress of the state and they will be able to defend the state য'ত দৰকাৰ হয় right next issue highlighted এইটো editorial কি issue highlight কৰা হৈছে students today show limited knowledge about major events like Assam movement 6-year mass agitation asile against illegal infiltration it is well we know that Assam movement amar karone kiman dangor da crucial point asile jitwe Ohomor history shape korise kintu jodi ami schoolot jao school levelot jao kiman jon studente amak sothik information dibo paribo ba kiman jon studente actually informed hobo about this hardly few তেওঁলোকৰ দুখ নহয় the fault has been with our educational system our educational system has been lopsided or meaning to ki hoy half ba distorted view rakhise half or distorted view rakhise half or distorted view means what that they are not given a complete perception they're not given a complete perspective about their own region and that is why jitu nijor state ok loi pelai eta pride thake eta honor thake eta respect thake hetu bahut khetrot ami kom dekha pao the movement led to massive public participation sacrifice of thousands at the martyrdom of 860 individuals culminating in the Assam Accord this number was given by ASU culminating in the Assam Accord 1985 so we know how important the Assam Accord is because Assam Accord e Ohomor history khon actually define korise kintu jodi ami tar backdrop to gom na pao korpra Assam Accord khon ahile ki hor karne ahile tate ASU role to ki asile tate student community role to ki asile and why has the student community been so important when it comes to the history of Assam tetiya leke ami kobo noaru that yes our knowledge about Assam is accurate our knowledge about Assam is optimum right next despite its historical importance the youth remain largely unaware due to curricular dilution the problem lies here curricular khon amar eneke structure kora goisile je bits and pieces ot kobat Assamor history Assamor geography kotha mentioned ase but holistic coverage nai holistically chronologically Ohomor history khon ami horu tekete pohi na palu right next earlier the education department merged history and geography into a broad social science subject jetu ami sobe parisu school social science ba social studies boli and this led to a decline in students knowledge about Assam's past and its geographical features young generation limited knowledge ase teolukor and the historical importance of the Assam Accord ei gutei bilak jiman significant amar events hoisil no ei gutei bilakor loi pelai they have got limited knowledge so ekhon Assam Accord sign kora moment to just for your reference yate mo highlight korisu a memorandum of settlement was signed between the government of India and ASU in 1985 known as the Assam Accord ami Shohid Divok celebrate korisu joakali right so this is just a reference and our respect to the matters of the Assam Andolon ekhon amar Ohomor map khon so ami jeta Ohomor map khon boli kono means amar geography khonor upor amar strong command ase or geography upor strong command thaka to kihor kar important hoy so that ami buji pa amar yat jikhon economy hoy but ji type or economic amar model ase ba ji type or amar dominant sector ase economic he dominant sector to kihor kare dominant sector hoise it is dependent on the geography directly geography or climate so hetu karone map work bur bahut important hoy tumaloke nije saba Ohomor map khon jetia Ohomor bor kiba ta porha try to go back to the Assam map and yat is lower Brahmaputra valley zone ami janu yat lower Ahom upper Ahom tasot tumar north plain zone boli ase ekhini part jitu ami upper Assam boli ko then upper Brahmaputra valley zone okay then ami janu ekhini Borak valley then এইখিনিত আমাৰ hills আছে. So all these becomes important কিহৰ কাৰণে? Because we have to understand Assam geographically কিমান rich হয়. আৰু যেতিয়ালৈকে আমি গম নাপাওঁ অসমত geographic কিমান abundance আছে. এটা question APSC সুধিছিলে মেইনছত. Geographical, natural endowments. Natural endowment বুলি এটা question আহিছিল APSC মেইনছত. এই endowment factor to মানে হৈছে যিখিনি natural blessings হয়, it is referring to those blessings. Okay, so natural endowment means the natural blessings. And natural blessings বোৰ আমি কি বুজাইছো? আমাৰ geographically কিমান rich হওঁ, আমাৰ resources কি আছে, all of those. Now, the decision is significant because it will strengthen historical consciousness, improve geographical understanding of Assam's land and environment, help preserve cultural identity and collective memory. To be paisu collective memory kihor karone? Because our collective consciousness develop hobo, educate students about the socio-political struggles. Etia ami gom palu editorial to crux to ki hoy, crux mane ki kobo bisarise editorial to through di pelai Ahom government je to reintroduce kora je to initiative anise, he initiative to yet actually appreciate kori pelai editorial to likha hoise. Aru ami amar analysis to through di pelai তোমালোকলৈ আনিব বিচাৰিছো এই যেটো ইনিশিয়েটিভ অসম গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে লৈছে এটো কিহৰ কাৰণে ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট হয় তাৰ ইমপ্লিকেশনস বা তাৰ ৰিজাল্ট কি পাম আমি আৰু কিহৰ কাৰণে অসমৰ কাৰিকুলাম বা আমাৰ যেটো এডুকেশন সিস্টেম আছে এতিয়ালৈকে হেতুৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ স্টুডেন্ট কমিউনিটিটোৱে এটা পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ এজৰ লৈকে নিজৰ ষ্টেটখন অসমৰ হিষ্ট্ৰী আৰু জিওগ্ৰাফি লৈ পেলাই তেওঁলোকে complete knowledge paba para hua nasile. Now this is a question. The decision to reintroduce Assam's history and geography as compulsory subjects in classes 6 to 8 is not merely an academic reform, but a step towards restoring collective memory and strengthening regional identity. Discuss. Ami jikhini points discuss korisu, tumalke hekhini points or pa nijor notes banaba and then try to attempt this mains practice question. Moving on, etu ami janu this is a recent topic aru etu uporot ami questions ebar expect koribo paru, right? Because Vladimir Putin tekhet ahi goise aru tekhet etia ahise etu historic moment hoy India's karone, because ami janu geopolitically ki choli ase etia geopolitically eta balance create kora process ta choli ase aru he balance create koribole just a moment so geopolitically India try korise balance koribole kihor karone because India nijor strategic autonomy to maintain kora to बहुत important hoy. Our strategic autonomy mane ki hoy je iman khini je tumar power play hoi thake, shift hoi thake manhor loyalty towards a particular nation, towards a particular minilateral group or multilateral group, tar mazot India nijor national interest to keneke protect kori rakhise, keneke promote koribo parise aru hetue reflect kore India's achievement etialeke in maintaining its strategic autonomy. Strategic autonomy mane hoise nijor independently decision making ability to. We know that West sanctions logaise Russia upor aru India criticize kori ase because India has been purchasing oil from Russia, but India yate accountability dekhwa nai because India nijor facts rakhise. Accountable manu ketia hobo jetia kiba ta bhul kore, but India yate nijor voice to rakhise global forum or rakhi play koise that we are not the only country. West in fact so what's a heavy purchaser hoy, so what's a dangor purchaser West hoy Russian oil aru European Union India se basic enise Russian oil to kintu sanctions or criticism to India phale kihor karone ahe. So this is the crux of the editorial যে এই এডিটৰিয়েলটো একচুৱেলি দেখাব বিচাৰিছে কিহৰ কাৰণে ইণ্ডিয়াৰ ওপৰত ইমানখিনি কুৱেশ্যনছ ৰেইজ কৰা হৈছে বাই দ্য ৱেষ্টাৰ্ণ কমিউনিটি ৰাছিয়াৰ লগত ইণ্ডিয়াৰ ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপটো ভাল কৰি ৰখাটো ইণ্ডিয়াৰ কাৰণে কেনেকৈ একচুৱেলি কনষ্ট্ৰাক্টিভ হয় প্ৰডাক্টিভ হয় কিন্তু আমি যে ডিপেণ্ডেণ্ট হৈ আছোঁ ৰাছিয়াৰ ওপৰত ফৰ দ্য অইল সেইটোৱে আমাক ক'ৰবাত ৰিস্কত পেলাইছে নেকি ভালনাৰেবল বনাইছে নেকি আমি সেইটোৰ ওপৰতো অলপ ডিছকাশ্যন কৰিম এতিয়া চোৱা what is the assertion and why decoding matters এতিয়া আমি এডিটৰিয়েল টাইটেলটো কি পাইছোঁ decoding Putin's assertion on oil energy diplomacy বুলি এষাৰ কথা এতিয়া খুব চলি আছে energy diplomacy what is the meaning of energy diplomacy যে কেনেকৈ এনাৰ্জিৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত ফুয়েলৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত কাণ্ট্ৰিজ বিলাকে নিজৰ strategic autonomy to বা নিজৰ national interest to ইয়াতে promote কৰিব বিচাৰিছে so Putin ইয়াত assert কৰিছে and publicly reaffirm কৰিছে that Russia remains a reliable supplier of oil gas coal to India Russia assure কৰিছে global community আগত Russia আহি play to কথা কৈছে that yes Russia reliable supplier হয় Indiaৰ কাৰণে oil gas আৰু coal means energy promising uninterrupted shipments of fuel for India's growing economy. এতিয়া আমি জানো ইণ্ডিয়া যিহেতু growing economy হয় developing country হয় সেইটো কাৰণে আমাক বহুত বেছি প্ৰয়োজন এনাৰ্জি ফুয়েলৰ অইলৰ so আমাক কি লাগে আমাক লাগে first of all reliable energy suppliers আমাক হেতু লাগে second আমাক কি লাগে তাৰ লগতে আমি আত্মনিৰ্ভৰ হ'ব বিচাৰো so আমি ব্যালেন্স কৰিব লগা হৈছে between আত্মনিৰ্ভৰতা and dealing with reliable energy suppliers without compromising with our sovereignty without compromising with our strategic autonomy despite mounting pressure from the Donald Trump administration and western sanctions Russia আৰু ইণ্ডিয়াৰ যেটো energy diplomacy strong হৈ গৈছে হেতু western sanctions or পিছতো আমি তাত কোনো হার মাহা বা তাত কোনো গ্যাপ আহা দেখা নাই হেতু বেছি আৰু strong হৈ গৈছে he argues that trade between India and Russia is not a new phenomenon triggered by the situation in Ukraine in fact তেখেতে এটো বস্তু হাইলাইট কৰিছে পুটিনে that ইণ্ডিয়াৰ যেটো ৰাছিয়াৰ লগত ডিপ্লোমেসি চলিছে হেতু ইউক্ৰেইনৰ আউটকাম নহয় বা ইউক্ৰেইনৰ লগত ৰাছিয়াৰ যিখন যুদ্ধ হল হেখনৰ পিছত হোৱা নাই বহুত আগৰ পৰা চলি আহিছে but a long standing commercial relationship আৰু আমি commercially engage হৈ আছো এখন কান্ট্ৰি খনৰ লগত বহুত আগৰ পৰা purely economic logic rather than a political alignment আৰু ইয়াতে আমি non alignment দেখিছো non alignment কিহৰ কাৰণে because আমি ইয়াতে কোনো ধৰণৰ ideology বা কোনো ধৰণৰ particular party particular country লগত আমি নিজৰ tilt দেখুৱা নাই আমি নিজৰ sovereignty maintain কৰিছো আৰু complete pure economic logic লগাই প্লাই নিজৰ national interest আমি promote কৰিছো national interest আমি promote কৰিছো আৰু হেখিনি কথাকে পুটিনে ইয়াতে আহি প্লাই emphasize কৰিছে in challenging western criticism he points out that the United States itself continues to import fuel so etu eta direct message hoy westok je west je bare bare India criticize kore in fact Putin etu bostu highlight korise je west e to kine import kore fuel from Russia for example nuclear fuel loy from Russia asking why India should be singled out if it does the same jodi tumaluke nije kini ase this is a message to the west from Vladimir Putin that jodi tumaluke nije purchase kori ase amar pa nuclear fuel tetia hole kihor karone India tumaluke single out mane tumaluke victim maizat korisa that India is responsible India support kori ase Russia or India support kori ase Ukraine or against jekhini hoy gol but message to yate clear disse dekhete that yat kuno political alignment nai India or Russia jitu engagement soli ase energy diplomacy it is completely based on commercial grounds it is completely based on economic goals or economic logic. Key implications and what the editorial decodes. Actually, the editorial to key decode koro bicharise yat sao aha. Strategic signal to the West, symbolic diplomacy. Edu so signal dise Westok through symbolic diplomacy. Ami janu je jetia Vladimir Putin involved thake tekhete outright goi pelai kisun message nidi pelai inherent silent gestures or through pelai tekhete bahut khini kotha koi jay, right? Aru he gesture or through pelai tekhete jikhini kotha koi jay hetue symbolic diplomacy buli kom. Putin's assurance to India serves as a clear message of defiance. Defiance mane ki hoy je ami namanu. The moment I said moi namanu means moi at defiance apply korisu, and I'm defying what? Yat ami bujaisu Western sanctions. So, message of defiance indicating that Russia expects to maintain energy ties and by extension wants India to resist pressure from the US and its allies. Mane Russia nije intention dekhaise je ami Indiar logot jitu amar energy diplomacy ase, jitu amar tie ase, hetu ami intact rakhibo bisaru, in fact ami develop koribo bisaru aru, and India wants to resist pressure from the US and its allies. Aru India you have to decide korise that ami nijor national interest to promote korim, protect korim, aru defy korim Western sanctions. Affirmation of sovereign choices. Sovereign choice mane independent choice bujaise. Independent choice. The assertion reinforces the idea that India as a sovereign state has the right to choose its energy partners based on its own economic interest. It is one. Nijor energy partners kunham Central Asia upor dependent thakibo okole ne ami nijor trading partners khini diversify kori amar ta jiman options thakibo himan beshi bhal nohobo jano, so that external shocks jetia hok, external shocks mane hobo pare war, economic crisis hobo pare, ako jodi kiba pandemic like situation hoy, jikono situation hobo pare. So in all these respects external shock tur pa jate ami nijor economic nijor country interest to protect kori rakhibo paru, that is why what do we need? We need to diversify our trading partners. Energy security for India. For India, fast growing economy with rising energy demand, secure and affordable supplies from Russia can help stabilize fuel prices and ensure continuity. So, আমি affordable rate পাই আছো আৰু consistent supply পাই আছো. So এখন developing economy like ours আমাৰ কাৰণে consistently oil supply to পাই থাকা plus affordable rate because we are developing. আমি যদি deficit trade কৰিব লাগে তেতিয়া হলে আমাৰ কাৰণে এটো loss হ'ব. But আমি যদি less investment কৰি পেলাই বেছি পাই আছো, more quantity, তেতিয়া হলে ইয়াতে আমি profit situation আছো. And India being an emerging economy, we need to depend on secure and affordable suppliers like Russia jone amak help koribo paribo fuel price stabilize koribole, because ami janu jetia import price to bari jay fuel tetia hole inflation hobo pare country khonot, and fuel price stabilize korile আমি তেতিয়া আমাৰ নিজৰ country khonot economic stability to ensure koribo parim and ensure continuity, especially when global oil markets are turbulent. Turbulent mane ami kobo noaru geopolitically code war hoi jay, code enmity, rivalry hoi jay, tetia amar oil supply to completely disrupt hoi jay. Disrupt hoi joa mane yate break ahi jay, challenge ahi jay, aru tetia henekwa situation or karone amak ki lage, we need diversification and new partners. Aru hetu karone Russia amar karone important hoy. Rebalancing global energy politics by doubling down on this oil deal posture, Moscow Doubling down মানে ইয়াতে strengthen কৰা বুজাইছে, strengthen কৰা, strengthening this oil deal, মানে আমি যে oil purchase কৰি আছো ৰাছিয়াৰ পৰা সেইটো ওপৰত আৰু emphasize কৰিছে তেখেতে, Moscow seeks to shift energy trade patterns from a Western centric to a more multi-polar diversified energy supply network, challenging Western dominance in global energy geopolitics. It is so. Jodi ami kom je global geopolitics ji khetrote nulwa kyo defense kwa energy kwa, it has always been Western hegemony. Our Western hegemony meaning to ki hoy that Weste hoday nijor power to exert korbo parise because they have got more resources. Our hey resources kini teloke supply korbo parise. They have got strong supply chains. Strong supply chains. Plus, they have also been maintaining good equations, economic relationships, commercial relationships with other countries. Now, by doubling down or strengthening on this oil deal posture, Moscow seeks to shift energy trade patterns from a Western-centric to a more multipolar diversified energy supply. Ami etu Western hegemony mane hoise dominance, etuk ami counter koribo bisarisu, diversify kori pelai oil supply chain to. Economic and diplomatic leverage, mane economic or diplomatic level ami ki advantage pam? Leverage mane ate advantage bujaise. Continued energy cooperation gives Russia stable buyer and India leverage to negotiate economic benefits. So, Russia karone ame benefit ki rekhisu yate stable market ekhon pai ase. Russian oil to India le ahibo. India karone ki hoise India negotiate koribo paribo terms khini aru price to. Aru he mote fuel price to stabilize koribo paribo India. For Russia, Indian demand helps offset revenue losses. Or Russia upor the sanctions lowest means West Russia pro oil purchase nai kora. Kintu Russia is the India bhitorot ekhon market pai ase ready and available. That means Russia karone loss to revenue loss to balance hoise na nai. Offset mane ami ate counter korbo balance kora bujaisu from the Western sanctions. And for India karone ki benefit hoise discounted Russian crude offers cost benefits. Discounted mane ami ate price stabilization or kotha koisu, affordable fuel or kotha koisu, affordable. Okay, next, what decoding also cautions against and what to watch. Etia ami sabo lagibo actually a decoding jitu hoise Putinor jitu oil trade India logot relationship rakhise, he decoding to amak kisuman khetrot warning o dibo dise aru ami ki bostut actually hojag hua important hoy. While the rhetoric highlights reliability and continuity, underlying geopolitical risks remain. Ami ketiyao kobo noaru. Ekhar kotha ase no that there is no permanent enemy, no permanent friend in international relations. Hetur basis to ami ki kobo paru je kunu situation, kunu circumstance permanent nohoy international relations but geopolitics of. Aru hetu bostu ka ami apply koribo lagibo. For example, sanctions. Azi ase kaile remove hoi jabo. Changing global alliances. Azi quadot ami dekhisu jikhon member ase tat goi pelai ako kaile changes ahibo. Or we have seen that India can use our power to or nijor national interest to protect kore rakhise by being a member of the Quad, also by being a member of the SCO and the BRICS. So yate balance koribo parise India nijor national interest to promote koribole. And ami dekhisu the shifting demand bur shift hoi goi thake because equations change hoy countries bilakor majot. It may still affect long term stability of the supply chain. Aur je demand change hoi gol, equation change hoi gol, trust আজি বহুত আছে কাইলে গৈ প্লে কিবা এটা ইনস্ট্যান্ট হৈ গল জিওপলিটিক্যাল লেভেলত হেটোৰ পৰা ট্ৰাষ্ট টু হাৰ্ট হৈ গল দেন হেটোৰ পৰা আমাৰ যেটো সাপ্লাই আমি পাই আছো ন এই সাপ্লাই চেইন টু কোবাত গৈ প্লে সাপ্লাই চেইন টু ডিস্টেবিলাইজ হৈ যাব পাৰে that is one risk. Second, critics argue that such deals could be interpreted as tacit support for Russia despite its role in Ukraine. Jibilak critics june ৱেষ্টাৰ্ণ চেংচন ছাপৰ্ট কৰিছে তেওঁলোকে কৈছে যে ইণ্ডিয়াই যে ৰাছিয়াৰ লগত এতিয়া কণ্টিনিউৱাছলি অইলত ট্ৰেড কৰি আছে that means India in a way support কৰি আছে ৰাছিয়াক against Ukraine which may draw diplomatic backlash আৰু ইণ্ডিয়াৰ কাৰণে এইটো এটা risk বা vulnerable point কিহৰ কাৰণে হৈ যায় because global levelত backlash or criticism India face কৰিব লগা হ'ব পাৰে from western powers the moral and strategic balance India must weigh its energy security এতিয়া আমি সদায় জানো ethos বুলি এটা কনসেপ্ট আছে মানে এখন কান্ট্ৰি নিজৰ যেটো আগৰ পৰা চলি আহা কিছুমান ভ্যালুজ কিছুমান প্ৰিন্সিপল যিখিনি নন নেগোশিয়েবল হয় বা যিখিনি কম্প্ৰমাইজ কৰিব নোৱাৰে যেনেকে ইণ্ডিয়া কি বিচাৰে বাসুদেৱ কুটুম্বকম বুলি আমাৰ এটা কনসেপ্ট আছে কুটুম্বকম বিশ্বমিত্ৰ বুলি আমাৰ কনসেপ্ট আছে বিশ্বগুৰু বুলি আমি নিজকে পৰিচয় দিও সো এইখিনি বস্তু আমাৰ কাৰণে বহুত ডাঙৰ এটা একচুয়ালি আমাৰ কাৰণে বেঞ্চমাৰ্ক হয় আমাৰ নিজৰ কাৰণে প্লাস গুটে গ্লোবাল কাৰণে গ্লোবাল ফ্ৰেটাৰ্নিটিৰ কাৰণে কিন্তু সেইখিনি ক্ষেত্ৰতে আমাৰ কাৰণে এটা ডাইলেমা আহি যায় বা আমাৰ কাৰণে এটা চইচ আহি যায় যেটো আমি কৰিব লগা হয় নিজৰ এনাৰ্জি সিকিউৰিটিৰ মাজত আৰু ইকোনমিক ইন্টাৰেষ্ট against its international image and diplomatic relations with the western allies এতিয়া এই পইণ্টৰ লগত এই পইণ্টটো কানেক্ট কৰা experts কিছুমানে যিবিলাকে ক্ৰিটিসাইজ কৰে যিবিলাকে সাপোৰ্ট কৰে western sanctions বোৰ ৰাছিয়াৰ ওপৰত তেহেতি কয় ইণ্ডিয়াই যে ৰাছিয়াৰ লগত ভাল ট্ৰেড ৰিলেশনশিপস ৰাখি আছে হেতুৱে ইনডাইৰেক্টলি ইউক্ৰেইন নৰ এগেইনষ্টে যিখিনি ৰাছিয়াই কৰিছে হেতু বস্তুক সাপোৰ্ট দেখাইছে আৰু হেতু কাৰণে আমাৰ কাৰণে এটা বহুত ডিফিকাল্ট চইচ নিচিনাকেও প্ৰেজেন্ট কৰে এটোৱে যে আমি নিজৰ ইকোনমিক ইন্টাৰেষ্টটো প্ৰটেক্ট কৰো নে নিজৰ ইন্টাৰনেশ্যনেল ইমেজটো আমি ইয়াতে বচাই ৰাখো আৰু হেতু with respect to western allies আমাৰ western countries বিলাকৰ লগতো আমাৰ বহুত ভাল relationships আছে in fact US ৰ লগত আমাৰ ইমান বছৰে trade relationships আছে strategic relations it's a very new concept between India and the US right so আমি হেতু চাব লাগিব because India আৰু US ৰ যেটো strategic relationship হয় defense ৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত military exchange ৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত India আৰু US যিখিনি collaboration কৰা দেখা গৈছে হেতু বস্তু আমি কেতিয়াও compromise কৰিব নোৱাৰো because this becomes very important deterrence it is a deterrence হৈ যায় deterrence to what to counter China যদি আমি Chinese aggression Indo-Pacific region যদি আমি Chinese aggression combat কৰিব লাগে control কৰিব লাগে তেতিয়া হলে US ৰ লগত আমাৰ যেটো strategic relationship আছে military ties আছে হেবিলাক আমি আৰু বেছি strong weight আগবঢ়াই নিব লাগিব because হেতু deterrence হিচাপে function কৰে deterrence মানে কিবা এটা harmful বস্তু খোৱাৰ পৰা বা encourage কৰাৰ পৰা ৰখাইছে যেনেকৈ আমি কনো nuclear deterrence means what when you are stopping NPT non-proliferation treaty এখন আছিল right হেতুৰ পৰা আমি nuclear power to nuclear energy to proliferate হ'ব দিব নোৱাৰো গোটে worldত similarly যদি আমি deterrence to general terms use কৰো when we are preventing something from spreading হেতুকে deterrence বুলি কয় so Chinese aggression to আমি কেনেকৈ prevent কৰিব পাৰো আমাৰ strategic relationships বিলাকৰ পৰা okay next example self reliance in energy compressed biogas plant in Sonapur now আমাক লাগে western countries support strategically economically plus আমি রাশিয়ার লগত আমাৰ relationship to বেয়া হোৱাটো right now we cannot afford it right আমি নিজৰ national interest to promote কৰাটো আমাৰ কাৰণে important হয় তাৰ ওপৰত self reliance to আমি বহুত বেছি focus কৰি আছো make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat for example যদি আমি অসমৰ example লম energy sector compressed biogas plant যেটো সোণাপুৰত বনিছে হে বস্তুটো আমাক কি দেখাইছে যে ক্লিন এনাৰ্জি ক্ষেত্ৰত এনাৰ্জি ট্ৰানজিশনৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি সেলফ ৰিলায়েন্সৰ ফালে আগবাঢ়িছো নেক্সট for India's policy makers and observers especially useful for exam analysis তোমালকে এখিনি just ভালকে নিজৰ exam point of view পৰা কিছুমান points notes ত add কৰি যাব পাৰা The Russia-India energy axis underscores how energy policy interacts with geopolitics. Energy ক্ষেত্ৰত যেটো আমাৰ ডিপ্লোমেসি চলি আছে বা কমাৰ্শিয়াল লেভেলত আমাৰ যেটো এংগেজমেন্ট চলি আছে ইউএছৰ লগত হেতু একচুয়ালি ইন্টারসেক্ট কৰিছে ইন্টারসেক্ট কৰা মানে আমি এটো বুজো ন এটো পইণ্ট গবলে ক'বাত মিট হৈছে জিঅ'পলিটিক্সৰ লগত India's decision to keep buying Russian oil highlights its pursuit of strategic autonomy. It is why India is a Russia pra oil kini ase, import kori ase. He bostu to akol economically significant no. Strategically significant hoy because India is our strategic autonomy to yate gute world ole bahut strong at the message dibo parise that ami amar decisions law nijor national interest kini sai pele. Westerle ভয় কৰি প্লাই নহয় বা বেলেগ কিবা কনসিডারেশন কৰি প্লাই নহয় আমাৰ কাৰণে যেটো বস্তু বেস্ট হয় we go with that decision act Asia Indo-Pacific maritime cooperation and make in India so this is our current approach towards the world আমি এশিয়াৰ ফালে actions লৈ আছো so that আমি আৰু বেছি আমাৰ engagement to strong কৰিব পাৰো towards within Asia and Indo-Pacific maritime cooperation because আমাক ইয়াত কি লাগে security লাগে right net security provider হব বিচাৰে India make in India আমাক লাগে because we need what we need self reliance and self reliance আমাক কি কৰিব strategic autonomy to আৰু বেছি বঢ়াই দিব the situation can be used to discuss the role of energy security in foreign policy Foreign policy energy security by energy diplomacy to keneke important hoy ei point to tomaloke highlight koribo paro next the impact of global sanctions and counter sanctions on trade dynamics the global sanctions bilakor ki impact pore global sanctions kini keneke counter korise India global sanctions thakar pisotu India keneke nijor national interest to promote korise protect kori rakhise hekin tomaloke bhalke analyze koribo lagibo Just tomorrow understanding your current strategic autonomy at a definition. Strategic autonomy refers to the capacity of a state to formulate and implement its foreign policy and national security decisions independently. So what's the important keyword to say? Independent decisions. Key related, foreign policy related or national security related. Without being pressured, influenced or constrained by external powers. Karu influence nohuake, karu pra kono dhornor fear or warning. Heblakor pra ami influence nohuake, we are taking our decisions for ourselves. Originally associated asile with non-alignment, but contemporary time on reflect korise issue-based alliances. So, agote ami non-aligned asilo because bipolar asile ba multipolar asile world khon kintu etia kenuka hoy goise multipolar hoy kintu issue loi pla different groupings boni goise different groupings bilake nijar nijar agenda ane so issue based alliance ame beshi dekha paisu etia aru azir dinot ei strategic autonomy to aru beshi importance increase hoy goise because a country which is a part of separate alliances from different parts of the world it has to make its national interest heard, it has to speak up for itself and it has to maintain and protect its national interest. For India, it means maintaining freedom of choice in defense, trade, energy and diplomacy while engaging with major powers like US, Russia and European Union. So, আমি নিজৰ relationships খিনি ভাল কৰি ৰাখিব লাগিব with the major powers, but তাৰ লগতে আমি নিজৰ কাৰণে trade options keneke diversify kori rakhisu trading partners or khetra okay that is important now jeto oil diplomacy ami ematro analyze korilu tar kisuman pros ase mane benefits ase India karone aru kisuman demerits ase eta benefits kini saw ha strengthen energy security Russia assures uninterrupted reliable supply of crude crucial for fast growing energy hungry economy crude money ata ami oil bujaisu or you can call it fuel okay ama kihor karone beshi lage because ami emerging economy hoy aru that is why for our industrialization process for our energy transition process ama ki lage we need more of crude fine diversifies India's energy basket away from West Asian dependence ami আগতে অকল ৱেষ্ট এছিয়াৰ ওপৰত ডিপেণ্ডেণ্ট আছিল এতিয়া আমি ডাইভাৰ্সিফাই কিহৰ কাৰণে কৰিছো বিকজ অফ দ্য জিঅ'পলিটিকেল ইনবেলেঞ্চেছ বিকজ অফ দ্য unpredictable geopolitical equations. Strategic autonomy in foreign policy. India demonstrates its ability to pursue independent economic choices despite Western pressure. Etu ami gom palu je India keneke nijor power to nijor national interest to yata protect kori rakhibo parise Western pressure khini gute khini ignore kori pele aru hetur pra highlight hoise amar strategic autonomy reinforces India's long standing principle of multi alignment. Ami non alignment of belief kori ahisu aru multi alignment ami karu কোনো particular country ফলে নাযাওঁ আমি issue based approach লওঁ so multi alignment আমি কেতিয়া হ'ব পাৰিম যেতিয়া আমি particular issue এটা লৈ পেলাই support দেখাম next economic gains and market stability because আমি affordable rate পাই আছো Russian fuel to so আমাৰ কাৰণে economic advantage হৈ আছে আমাৰ domestic refiners বিলাকক support কৰি আছে আমি profit marginত আছো ইয়াতে okay so আমাৰ profit margins বোৰ ইয়াতে improve হৈছে helps manage domestic fuel prices price stabilization amak help korise next continued access to discounted crude discounted mane ami yate lower price boli bujaisu post Ukraine war Russia offered significant price discounts helping India control inflation and petroleum import bills etia ami অলপ আগতে ডিসকাস কৰিছো যে যদি ক্ৰুড অইলৰ প্ৰাইস বাঢ়ি যায় তেতিয়া হলে ডমেস্টিক ইকোনমি ডমেস্টিক মাৰ্কেটত ইনফ্লেশন হৈ যাব পাৰে সো যদি তোমাৰ আমি affordable rate of oil purchase kori asu that means inflation will be under control and significantly our petroleum import bills for bahut reduce ho jabo aur petroleum import bills reduce hua mane jito amar forex reserves hoy forex reserves if forex reserves ot amar increase hobo okay our forex reserves important ki hor karone hoy because ekhon country bahut beshi strong kore rakhe for the times of emergency next kishon demerits ase cons for India Putin's oil assertion rising energy cost risks etia affordable rate ami purchase kori asu but eko guarantee nai je after 1 year or 2 years etu bostu same thakibo so jodi Russia insist kore but change kore nijor mind to that discounted oil price or affordable price to no longer viable hoy or no longer available hoy tetia hole India bahut beshi economic advantage herabo laga hobo pare higher crude import bills can worsen inflation fiscal pressure and current account deficit so amar karone economic disadvantage ahi jabo pare reduced bargaining power India has used Russia West standoff to negotiate better deals aru India nijor national interest yat bahut bhalke ami dekhisu keneke promote korile protect korile a Russia aru West standoffot without losing its sovereignty a hard Russian stance may limit India's strategic autonomy in energy choices and reduce its leverage in demanding discounts kintu jodi Russia amar logot strict hoy jay the discounted oil among nidi by affordable rate among nidi tetia hole India karone eta crisis situation emerge hobo pare plus over dependence jodi ami okol 35 to 40% leke okol Russia upor dependent thako amar crude or karone tetia hole etu amar karone ki hoy lack of sovereignty eta concern ahibo pare je Russia jodi kaile koi die ami affordable rate dibo nwaru tetia hole India will be at a loss so jodi tighten kori di terms of the deal tetia hole problem hoy jabo supply risk or possible pressure from the west our west or sanctions would to ase plus India oporot aru beshi pressure dibo pare Russian price jodi barhi jabo pare or long term contracts hebur India karne directly Russia help kori thaka boli west lobo pare that India is helping Russia to take initiatives against the west so hetu karne anti west hoy jabo pare India karne perspective to by the western nations hetu amar karone ta bahut dangor problem hobo pare next India must balance between buying cheap Russian oil and maintaining western strategic partnerships amar karone duita important hoy amak energy security lage Russia pra Plus, because we need diversification, লগতে আমাৰ western countries or লগত বা strategic partners or লগত খুব ভাল এটা bonding আমাক লাগে, because we know that এতিয়া আমি afford কৰিব নোৱাৰো এই globalized world খনত যে completely আমি independently চলিব পাৰিম. We need other countries' support also through different alliances. A stronger Russian stance complicates India's multi-alignment strategy. So editorial to etu opinion dise যে আমি actually এটা balanced approach লব লাগে Russiaৰ লগত in our full diplomacy. It is a mains practice question. তোমাকে try কৰিবা, analysis to আবার নিজে ভালকে শুনিবা, and then go through the editorial, go through analysis, try to make your own points and attempt this question. Russia's changing stance on discounted oil exposes both opportunities and vulnerabilities for India. Discuss the implications of Putin's recent assertion on oil pricing for India's energy security, foreign policy strategy and economic stability. 15 mark or hoye to try koriba for 15 marks. Or yada tumalke critically analyze koriba Russia'r logot amar jitu oil diplomacy ase tar karone amar benefits ki hoise, amar karone risk ki ase, amar way approach ki hobo lage, eta balanced approach lage aru kihor karone. Okay, so that was all for today. Thank you so much everyone. We will meet in the next week with another good articles, a number of new articles which are relevant to your preparation. Aru aha kore tumalke amar jikhini CNA hawk, editorial analysis hawk, weekly amar Assam current affairs hawk, gudekhinir pura tumalke actually nijor benefit to dekhisa and you are finding the utility in those. And amar jitu pre-fit initiative hoy hetu aspirants khini karone ami loyana eta bahut innovative step hoy. Don't miss this chance. 3000 tomaloke free initiative under pai asa aru amar paid initiative under you are going to have access to 12000 MCQs jitu amar CSAP application tomaloke paba. So without wasting time, basic critical analyze nokorage tomaloke aha amar a pre-fit initiative tour advantage lo. Thank you everyone. See you again.